Can you boost memory through hormone support? Let's talk about it. Your hypothalamus controls your hormones, all of them. Estrogen and progesterone are critical for proper nerve function, which helps to improve cognition and memory. Adequate T3 production and function is critical to support your memory as well. It's also critical that your hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis is controlled. An overstressed HPA axis creates too much cortisol, which can cause nerve damage and will affect your memory. So supporting your hormones starts with hypothalamic support. If your hypothalamus is not functioning optimally, your gonads and thyroid cannot produce the hormones necessary to support your brain health and memory. Taking Genesis Gold daily will help to improve your memory. If necessary, adding appropriate bioidentical hormone replacement therapy can help maintain brain health and improve your memory, especially if you're menopausal, andropausal, or hypothyroid. Studies show that women who start taking estrogen and progesterone early in the menopause transition score better on cognition tests in postmenopause than women who delay therapy. If you have any questions, please join me in our Hormone Reboot Training. I'll see you in the next video.